Bam, 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 bam. Attention all citizens. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Department of Resources in Belka. A few moments ago, there was an energy shortage reported near Parrish County. All the resources such as electricity, gas, water, and internet have all been low recently in the Parrish County area. This is due to a shortage in energy. The phone lines will still work. However, we suggest that you use them sparingly. And please do not call 604 unless of a life-threatening emergency. Thank you. And updates will follow. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Attention all citizens. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Department of Resources in Belka. Recently, the energy shortage in Parrish County has caused an uprising, a robot uprising. All residents of Parrish County are urged to take the following safety precautions. Carry guns, turn off all lights, turn off all heating and air conditioning, shut and lock all doors and windows, cover all windows with curtains, and be very still and quiet. If one of these robots are in your home, we are granting permission for the use of lethal force to protect yourself from these robots. You must shoot them either on the sensors or on the power off button. Please use your guns wisely to protect the lives of yourself and others. Bam, 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 Attention all citizens. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Department of Resources in Belka. All of the robots have been killed off, and the energy is returning to Parrish County. All citizens are advised to remain vigilant, and if any more robots are seen in Parrish County attacking citizens, then please call them in to the Parrish County Sheriff's Office. Thank you for your cooperation. This is an all-clear message. Regular programming will resume transmission at the tone. Bam, bam, bam.